Okay, good morning, students. We started the topic of phrases and clauses. So today we are going to discuss, first of all, about the compound and complex sentences. After that, we will discuss our tense. So far, we have completed in tenses. We have completed all the indefinites. Today, we'll start with the continuous. And along with, we are also going to do one of the topic which is called as compound or the complex sentences. That is part of your topic which we started on Friday. That was phrases and clauses. So today we are going to discuss compound and complex sentences. So this is the definition for compound sentence. They are saying two or more independent clauses connected with a comma and coordinating conjunction or a semicolon with or without a transition expression. Fan by means these are the this is the first letter of these conjunctions we can see over here. So that is how they are saying like fanboys. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, yes for so. So altogether, it will be help for you that you can remember basically that if a sentence it will be written in front of you, you can easily understand that these are the compound sentences because these are completing this help. Fanboys means these of the conjunctions for and nor but or yet and so. Uh, we went to the movies last night and we stopped for coffee afterward. So this is what they have given example over here. Along with they have given another connections over here. For example, moreover, consequently, however, furthermore, does also, for instance, nevertheless, for example, as a result, besides, and so these are also they have written to tell you about. But basically, the concentration is fanboys only when okay. So wherever this will come, so we can understand that okay, these it belongs to compound sentences. Complex sentences. One independent clause connected to at least one dependent clause. Although one was invited to the party, I didn't want to go. We invited the neighbor to the party even though we don't like him. Complex sentence. What does it mean? One independent clause connected to at least one dependent clause. So that is what although here, which is somehow, and here is a though, which is somehow connecting. So that is how it is called as a complex sentence. Now there is example for the compound complex sentences.
your mic is on. So we can't hear you.
Yes, compound and complex sentences, two or more independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. So that is the hint to you that how the compound and complex sentences can be made. So these are the examples they have given exercises for the simple, compound, complex. So this is they have said that you can write down over here. Example for the compound complex sentences there when we heard a crash outside. That's a one. I ran to the window and Joe called 911. So you see when we heard a crash outside, I ran to the window, Joe called 911. So you see, so this is how the and we are saying that is connected, the sentence. Two or more independent clauses and at least one dependent clause, actually it makes the combination of it. So these kind of sentences we call as a compound complex sentences as it has given. So question it can come to you to recognize like is it a compound sentence, it is a complex sentence or it is a compound complex sentence. Very rare chance when it comes here in your paper of a compound complex sentences. Basically, they ask you the difference between these. So you just have to, remember the rule of this. Like if it has got for and nor, but or yet and so simply, these are combined sentences. Rest will be called as a complex sentences. So in a paper, most of the time a question it comes to, ask you the difference between compound and complex sentences. So that what you need to keep it in mind. That is very rare when they ask, but you can do the exercise to make yourself more comfortable with those kind of sentences. But to not make yourself more confused, so that is why I've said that focus on this thing because once it is very hard, I would say that to learn everything here. But it's easier to learn these things. If you learn these things, so you can understand that these are the compound sentences and rest of the other where it does not have the application of these what do you call seven things fanboy thing, then it will be called as a complex sentence. So one more question or two more question it would come to you for compound to recognize the compound of the complex sentences. It does not come that you need to change it, it will come that you need to recognize it. So that is what you call the complex and compound sentences. Let's come up with our what do you call exercise for tenses, that is the starting of present continuous tense. And please write down the rules of present continuous tense in your chat box. What are the rules of present continuous? So whatever tense I will complete, I am going to add when I'll do the exercises or when I'll ask you a question. I can add questions from the indefinites as well as. So keep this thing in mind. So जितना जितना हमारा कंप्लीट होता जा रहा है आपको ये चीज़ ध्यान में रखनी पड़ेगी कि उस चीज़ को ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ मैं प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस तक ही आज फोकस रहूँगा. हमने इंडेफिनेट्स कंप्लीट कर लिए तो मैं उनके बारे में भी क्वेश्चंस आपसे एक्सरसाइज में पूछ सकता हूँ. Okay. So Hale has written down like subject plus verbs first form plus ing plus object. Okay. Subject plus Amit first form plus ing plus object. Okay. First form plus ing plus object. Ocean Kumar Toker. Fine. Anyone else wants to add something into it or it is fine? Subject plus am is are plus verb. Yes. Helping verb are missing. So is am are plus verbs first form plus ing. Rakibul Islam. Kajal Gupta is MR plus verb first form plus ing. Yes, right. Subject plus that's perfectly fine. Yes, so this is the what do you call the right form or the rule of present continuous tense. Subject plus is am are as per the subject plus verbs first form plus ing we apply. In some of the states we call it as V5, but to make it more simplified, more generalized, we call it as verbs first form plus ing. Okay. Is negative MR comes first. Negative will be is not, am not, are not. He is not coming. something like that. So we'll apply not with is MR plus verb first form in ing. And for interrogative, it will be is MR at the beginning of the sentence. Yes, it's interrogative. So here, so we apply like is he coming? So there'll be helping verb is then subject plus ing. First form definitely we have applied. Is he coming? So something like that. Interrogative will be made. If it will be interrogative negative, then it will be is he not coming today? So something like that. Is will be at the starting, subject he, not, then you apply ing with the verb's first form. So that is the complete form of all the four subcategories: affirmative, negative, interrogative, and interrogative negative. Let's do the practice for present continuous, and of course, I'll ask a few of the questions from the indefinite as well. Okay? Yes, a sentence is given here, and see it and see. Try to give the answer that is it right, or you want to add something here. The verb is rain over here, and see the answer is correct or not. Look, it is raining. Right, correct, right, correct. I think that's right. Yes, it is right sentence. Look, it is raining. So they have asked you in a such a way that like you're trying to draw the attention of somebody. Like, look, that it is raining. It's now change it into present continuous tense. They, then there is a verb called watch the news and TV. Write down in present continuous tense. Are watching, are watching, that's fine. Are watching. Good. Are watching. Fine, perfectly fine. Now for the twist, I'm asking you one question that you're supposed to answer me, that is it complex or a compound sentence? We met rather few people who spoke English. Is it a complex or a compound sentence? told you one of the simple rule that you can recognize is it compound or complex sentence or a simple sentence. Very good, very good, very good. That's beautiful. Yes, you all are right. It's complex because we are not following the rule of fanboys over here. Very good, Shabash. Present continuous. Change it into present continuous and past indefinite negative. Write down in both. Present continuous and past indefinite negative. Matt, wait for the bus. Matt is waiting for the bus. Is waiting. Is waiting. Is waiting. Yes. Now write down an past indefinite negative. Okay, that's right. That's perfectly fine. You wrote the right answer. That is okay. Amit has written Matt was not waiting for the bus. Good. Matt does not wait for the bus. Sahel Singh, very right. What about others? Please write. Matt does not wait. Is waiting. Does not. Harpreet, okay, fine. Rakibul Islam, Matt was not waiting for the bus. Okay. Matt does not wait for the bus. Good. Musin Minhas. Avinash was not waiting for the bus. Very good. Does not wait. Kajal Gupta. Good. The bus. Okay. Okay. See that how many students are taking are there. What about other people who are listening there? Laishran Shivdat, write down the answer. Amandeep Singh, write down the answer. Sujay Kamble and Vishal Thakur, did you write? Sujay Kamble, okay. Does not wait. Vishal does not wait. Is not waiting. Laishran does not. Amandeep Singh does not wait. Sujay, yes. I asked you to write down past indefinite negative, and you all are writing in present indefinite. What are the rules for past indefinite? You all are writing in present indefinite. What are the rules? What happened to you? I am keep telling you this guys that do not forget what we have learned. So rules for the past indefinite are did not. Matt did not plus verbs first form. Yes. Now Vishal is writing oops. It's did not. Matt did not wait for the bus. What happened to you guys? This is what you are going to make mistakes in your paper.
सर हमें सुना गलत था
अरे 4 बार बोला है मैंने पास्ट इंडेफिनिट नेगेटिव चलो गुड लेट्स डू अनदर वन
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
हाँ जी बच्चे
सर डज नॉट फिर गलत होगा ना
बेटा पास्ट ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ do not does not ਥੋੜੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ that comes in present indefinite in the past we use did not
ओके सर
okay so that's another sentence for you now change it into continuous as well into future continuous interrogative okay that's fine nice is not cooking the chef is not cooking anything today chef is not cooking anything today okay सर लिख दो क्या चेंज करना है
सर सेकंड क्या चेंज करना है
फ्यूचर इंडेफिनेट एंड इंटेरोगेटिव फ्यूचर इंडेफिनेट chef will not be cooking. Vishal Thakur, okay. Chef will not be cooking. Vishal. What about others? Hurry up, guys. Things should come very quickly into your mind. Abdullah Noman. Please write down your answer, Abdullah. Abdullah Al Noman. Please write down your answer. The chef will not cook anything today. Okay. The chef will not be cooking. Okay. Roshan Kumar Thakur. The chef will not cook anything today. Okay. I asked you, look, again you are committing mistake. I very clearly told you, write down future indefinite interrogative. And you are writing all in negative. I asked you question that you're supposed to write down in future indefinite interrogative. What is interrogation? Question.
सर इंटेरोगेटिव नहीं बोला था आपने.
Interrogative बोला बच्चे. You can check in. I'll send you the recording. You can check it over there. Even I wrote. You can see that I was about to send a message. Then you wrote answer. Then I omitted. Future indefinite interrogative. Yes. What will be interrogative? Try to see the question. What is the question? The chef is not cooking anything today. The answer is the chef. Will chef cook anything today? Will chef cook anything today? Okay, fine. Fine. We get into again present continuous. Very good. Good. Right answer. Very good. What is Helen doing at the moment? Amandeep, right answer. Roshan Kumar Thakur, what Helen is doing at the moment. Good. Yes. Perfectly right. Now write down, now change it into interrogative. Now listen carefully. Interrogative, present indefinite. Present indefinite interrogative.
सर चेंज किस में करना है?
Interrogative, present indefinite interrogative. So Hale does what Helen do at moment, does not make sense. Raqib Islam, what does Helen do at this moment, right? What does Helen do at this moment? What does Helen do at this moment? What does Helen do at the moment? Helen, fine, that's fine. Good, very good. Yes, that's the right answer. Very good. What does Helen do? Good. Very right. Kajal, right. Okay, now again twist. Tell me, complex or a compound sentence? Complex or a compound sentence? Compound. Okay. Sujay Kamble wrote complex. Why is it complex? Roshan also wrote complex. Yes, what is the reason? Why is it complex? Hmm? It's compound sentence or a complex. If it's complex, why do you think it's complex? You follow because and has a. Okay. Question is, I have got four sisters and each of them is quite different from us. Yes, those who have written it's compound. Why is it compound then? Hmm? What's the reason? Those who think it's compound, why is it compound? He gave the answer. He said that it's complex sentence because and is written here. I've got four stitches and each of them is quite different from others. Because there is and in the sentence. So two sentences are linked with the word and. And two sentences are joined. Yes, but the reason behind is this, that he is also saying it is complex because and है. आप भी बोल रहे हो ये compound है because इसमें and है. बोलिए भाई. Compound. ऐसा बोल रहे हो and और two sentences are joined. Firstly, he's talking about sisters. Secondly, telling about their uniqueness. Two sentences are linked with the connection and two different things it does with the help of and. Yes, right. So it is compound sentence. It's not complex sentence. Let's see the example of another one. So it will be easy to understand. Yes, this is compound or complex. He'll never leave home because he hasn't got the courage to. This is complex because is mentioned over here, right? तो ये complex है या compound है? बोलो भाई. complex, compound. Chart of compound. Second dependent on first, so complex. complex. Yes. Right, this is complex sentence. Truly right. Yes, so moving from the exercise. Grammar. And continues. We use my mobile phone. Get that score part up to phone. Just keep it up to phone. You use my mobile phone.
किस में कन्वर्ट करना है?
दोबारा से डालूं?
कन्वर्ट किस में करना है?
Present continuous. Okay, good, right. Abdullah, number one. You're using my mobile phone. Are you using? You're using. Fine. Now, if it will be interrogative, then present continuous interrogative. If we're supposed to make the sentence, the same sentence in interrogative. Interrogative negative. Make it interrogative negative. Interrogative negative. Okay, now very good. It has got two questions over here. Tell me one thing. Are you not using my mobile phone is right, or aren't you using my mobile phone? No, difference is this, that if you are opening up, then it will be like that. Are you not using my mobile phone? It's right answer. But look here. Are and not, in between of are and not, we are putting you. So if you are opening up sentence like that, are you not using my mobile phone? That is correct answer. But if you want to combine it like aren't, so then you will be outsider. You cannot make, so aren't is together. So it will be aren't you using my mobile phone? So both are correct answer. But I'm just trying to tell when it will be aren't. So aren't means it will be together. Are and not will be combined. And after that, we'll apply you using my mobile phone. But when you open up the sentence, then it will be are you in between of not and are. Are you not using my mobile phone? So it will become like that. Good. I mean to say that both we are fine. Yes. Aren't is also right. Are you not is also right. Both are correct. Yes. Present continuous, change it. Affirmative. Sure. सुखवीर अच्छा लंचिंग नो लंचिंग कुछ नहीं होता सुखवीर लंचिंग क्या हुआ वो भी लिंचिंग लिखा हुआ Awesome. Students are having yes are having so ing we will apply with have students are having lunch students are having lunch in the canteen students are having lunch in the canteen it's right answer they are having so we'll have to apply ing would have that's perfectly right answer. Make it same sentence. Make it in uh, present continuous tense. Oh, sorry, present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense negative. Present indefinite negative. Student have not lunch in canteen. शाबाश सुहेल जी ये बार बार क्यों भूल जाते हैं हम लोग इंडेफिनेट में कौन कौन सा रूल लगता है प्रेजेंट में स्टूडेंट हैव नॉट लंच इन कैंटीन स्टूडेंट्स आरंट शाबाश ये आरंट कौन अमित वेरी गुड सुफीर सिंह स्टूडेंट डज नॉट हैव लंच ओके स्टूडेंट्स डज नॉट हैव लंच रोशन कुमार वेरी गुड ओके व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स अब्दुल्ला राइट डाउन अमन काजल राइट present indefinite negative the student does not have lunch in canteen okay good Sujay okay Amandeep okay ये खुद से सोचते हो कि एक दूसरे की कॉपी करना शुरू कर देते हो एक ने जो लिखा वही लिखते हो यस काजल गुप्ता इज राइट ऑल अदर आर रॉन्ग स्टूडेंट्स डू नॉट हैव लंच स्टूडेंट्स है इसके साथ डज कैसे लगाई जा रहे हो ऊपर से डज लगाया सबने नीचे डज शेप दिया इट्स प्लूरल सो वी सपोज टू अप्लाई डू नॉट डज स्टूडेंट्स डू नॉट हैव दैट्स राइट आंसर फिर वहीं भी आ जाते हो सारा करके यही आपकी राइटिंग में मिस्टेक्स होनी है ये छोटी छोटी सी बार बार इसकी इसीलिए प्रैक्टिस करवा रहा हूँ सम ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि यार सर क्या करवा रहे हैं लेकिन देख लो आपके सामने मिस्टेक्स होगी यस ओके ड्यूरल सेंटेंस यस हो जाएगा भी आता है नहीं ओके चलिए इसको साथ साथ प्रैक्टिस कीजिए लेट मी टेक योर अटेंडेंस Today is 12th of October. Okay, let's start with the A&R. Please unmute your mics. अपने mics open कर लीजिए. Okay, A&R students. Amandeep Singh present. Okay. Harpreet Singh. Harpreet present. Harpreet Singh Monday present. A&R. Harpreet present.
Present, sir.
Okay. Manish Sharma. Manish Sharma. Okay. Sujay Vijay Kamble present.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sumayal Taf. Anybody else from A&R? Anyone else from A&R? Is there anyone who's left from A&R? Yes. Abdullah, you are from A&R?
Present, sir.
Okay. I'm going to write your name in automation robotics. Abdullah Al Naman. Okay. Just wait for us. Abdullah. Okay. And
हरप्रीत सिंह भी होगी सर ये एंड आर
Harpreet Singh ਦੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਆਰ Then automobile engineering, Harnoor Singh Minhas present.
Yes, sir. Present.
Anyone else from automobile engineering? कोई और बच्चा ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियरिंग से? चलिए नेक्स्ट इज ट्रिपल ई. ट्रिपल ई आर्यमान शर्मा प्रेजेंट.
प्रेजेंट सर.
Okay. Kajal Gupta is present.
Present,
Suhail
sir.
Singh is present. Yes. Sukhveer Singh is also present. Sukhveer.
यस सर यस सर
Okay. All are present in triple. Then ECE electronics. Amit is present.
Present, sir.
Okay. Then Bhupinder Singh. Bhupinder Singh is present. Gurpreet Singh. Krishu. Anyone else from ECE? SM Saqib. SM Saqib is present. Saqib present. Avinash Thakur.
Present,
Avinash
sir.
present.
Hello, sir.
Avinash is present. Saqib is absent, right?
Yes, sir.
कोई और बच्चा जिसका इसी में ना अटेंडेंस लगी हो? मेरे पास अमित और अविनाश हैं. Anyone else? No.
Sir.
हाँ जी.
सर सर मेरा ट्रिपल ई में कन्वर्ट हुआ था.
क्या नाम है आपका?
अविनाश ठाकुर.
आप ट्रिपल ई में चले गए हो?
यस सर.
हो गया है आपका? श्योर हो?
यस सर.
चलो मैं आपका नाम फिर उधर शिफ्ट कर रहा हूँ. एक मिनट रुको. यहाँ से डिलीट कर रहा हूँ फिर मैं. ठीक है. Next is mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering. Ansel Dar present. No. Govind Kumar. Govind Kumar. Harshit Modgil. Roshan Kumar Thakur is present.
Present, sir.
Anyone else from mechanical engineering?
सर
Ranjit,
राकीबुल
बोलिए।
इस्लाम
हाँ जी।
राकीबुल
रकीबुल
इस्लाम
इस्लाम। आपने भी ब्रांच चेंज की है या फर्स्ट डे आज?
सर
Today is your first day or you have changed your branch
आई हैव चेंज माय ब्रांच
from?
फ्रॉम त्रिपोली
रकीबुल इस्लाम, मेरे पास तो नाम ही नहीं था आपका। Let me see. ये है रकीबुल इस्लाम, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर। ठीक है। Anyone else from mechanical? No? Okay. Now civil engineering students. Akash Kumar present.
Yes, sir, present.
Hasibur Rahman. Hasib. No. Laishram Shivdat.
Present, sir.
Okay. Siram Tom Thinganba. Present.
Present, sir.
Okay. Vishal Thakur present.
Present, sir.
Okay. Vipin Kumar Yadav. Vipin Kumar Yadav. Ajay Ravindra. Ajay Ravinder. No. Okay. Now tell me anyone else जिसकी attendance रहेगी हो. Anyone else जिसकी attendance रहती हो from today's class?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, from civil, Sharam Tom Thinyama Singh was present.
Okay, great. Civil. Your name is?
No.
Huh? Write down in chat box. Write down in chat box.
Okay.
Civil. Siram Tomkin Gamba. Yes, Siram, you are present.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Anyone else? Okay, guys, then thank you so much for today's lecture, and please attend your guest lecture. Ma'am has already mentioned in your group that it has got, I think, scheduled one of your guest lecture today. Thank you so much for the class today, and we'll meet.
थैंक यू सर
Okay, guys.
Have a good day.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Okay, have a nice day. Take care.